How to fix iPhone not receiving text messages. So the first thing that you need to check is your network connection. So if you are using your cellular data, make sure that your tower is full, or if you are using your Wi-Fi, make sure that you have a good internet connection. So even after doing that, if it's still not working, then try to turn on your airplane mode. For that, scroll down through your control panel, tap on this airplane icon, turn it on, and wait for a few seconds, and then again tap on it and turn it off. It will help you reset your network. So after doing that, I'm pretty sure it will work, but if it's still not working, then the next thing that you can do is try to force restart your iPhone. For that, click on your volume up button, quickly click on your volume down button, then again quickly keep pressing on your power button until you see Apple logo, then release the button, wait for a few minutes, and your phone will successfully be restarted. And after that, see if your message is being received or not. So even after all of that, if it's still not working, then get to your settings, and then from your settings, scroll all the way down, then tap on apps. And in here, simply search for your message application. In here, you can see messages, tap on it, and then open its setting. And in here, what you're going to do is scroll down, and in here, make sure that your iMessage is turned on. Simply tap on it and turn it on. Wait for a few minutes in order to successfully be iMessage turned on. Under your send and receive, you will see your addresses in here, and like that, you'll know that your iMessage has been turned on. So after doing that, you can simply tap on send and receive, and also make sure that your addresses has been selected. It could be your Apple ID or your phone number in here. So after doing that, you can go back, and in here, if you scroll down a bit, you'll get to see the option of filter spam, which make sure that you have turned this off just like this. And the another thing that you could have is MMS and your group settings, which should be turned on. Currently, my phone does not have that option. So after doing all of that, I'm pretty sure your messages will start be receiving. But if it's still not working, then try to see if you have your carrier update. For that, you'll need to go back to your main settings. And on your main settings, tap on cellular. And in here, what you're going to do is scroll down. And if there are any kind of update, there will be a pop-up right here. All you need to do is tap on update. Currently here you can see my SIM does not require any kind of update. And in here you can also see another setting called Wi-Fi calling. Tap on it and make sure that it is also enabled just like this. Tap on enable and simply enable this option. So if you don't have your eSIM and you have a physical SIM, then try to remove your physical SIM and try to reinsert it and see if it's working or not. So after all of that, if it's still not working, then try to reset all of your network settings. For that, you'll need to again get back to your main settings. And in your main settings, scroll down and then tap on General. And from here, what you're going to do is scroll all the way down, then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, and then tap on Reset Network Settings. Then your phone's passcode will be required. Simply put that on. And all you need to do is tap on Reset Network Settings. And this will reset all of your network settings. And like that, I'm pretty sure your Messages application will start working. And if it's still not working, then finally, try to check for any kind of software update. For that, again, you'll need to get to your general settings in here, and from here tap on iPhone update. So if there are any kind of update requirement, there will be the option of update now or tonight. Tap on the option according to your choice, and like that you'll be able to update your software on your iPhone. And after doing all of these, I'm pretty sure that you will start receiving messages on your iPhone. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.